Good morning. Today's topic is the application of the collision theory of the biomolecular reactions. In the previous lectures, we have studied the assumptions of the collision theories. In that, we have studied the what are the different assumptions about the reacting molecules. The reacting molecule should be such a close that the collision should be takes place. All those things are the we have studied all these points in the previous lectures that the colliding molecules should be close, such a close that there should be collisions, and collision should be sufficient amount of activation energy also, and the number of collision can be calculated by using the kinetic theory of the gases. And during the collision, some molecules acquire the energy and the molecule may lose energy, the total energy remains constant. Only those molecules which possess the energy above a certain minimum value will react upon the collision. Such collisions are called as the effective collision. For the effective collision, molecule must be suitably oriented. When the molecule takes part in the effective collision, rearrangements of the bonds takes place in the reactant molecule, and resulting in formation of the reaction is directly proportional to the number of collision per unit per time per unit times. These all about the materials we have studied in the last lectures. So today we are going to use this collision theory for the applications of the biomolecular reactions. Consider the reactions. Biomolecular reaction A plus B gives the product C. So A is the unimolecular, B is the unimolecular, and the product is the C. What will be the product? But the reaction is the biomolecular reactions. So the rate of the biomolecular reactions can be obtained, can be studied in the light of the light of the relation between the rate and the total number of the collisions, and the rate and effective collision which involve the energy of the activations. So first point is the on the basis of kinetic theory of the gases, the total number of collisions per centimeter cube per second between the molecule A and the B molecules is the ZAB is given by the equations, that is ZAB is equal to NaNb sigma square AB under root of 8 pi kt Ma plus Mb divided by Ma minus Mb, where in these equations the what terms are defined. These different terms are defined here. That is the ZAB is considered to be the collision frequency, and Ma and Me with the masses of the A and B molecule respectively, and sigma AB is the collectively means mean molecular diameter. It will be considered as the Ma plus Mb divided by 2, but directly it is considered as the sigma AB. If you know the sigma AB, then directly we can write it. If you not, then if you know the value of Ma and Mb, take the mean of that is the sigma AB is the mean molecular diameter. K is the, we all know that the K is the Boltzmann constant given by the ratio. If you know the K, then directly write down the K. If you don't know, then we can find out it by the value of R and N, where the R is the gas constant and the Na is the Avogadro's number. So the K value is the constant value, and the sigma AB is the collision cross sections. Sigma AB is the collision cross sections. Next one is the examples are given either to understand properly the how the biomolecular reactions takes place and the collision of the biomolecular reactions takes place. So here the calculation part is given here. We have to put the values also given here. All the values are given properly, and all the values we have to um, write in the formula and find out the answers. Some values are not given directly, so we have to calculate it aside. Side by side we have to do the some minor calculations and directly putting the value in the formulas, so that we will get the easily answer, and it will be minimize the some types of the errors also. So there is the example is given, that is the Hi, hydrogen iodide, that is two molecules who is a biomolecular reactions give the product H2 plus I2. So for these reactions the values are given is the K is equal to 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 moles per decimeter cube per second at 556 degrees centigrade. Kelvin temperatures. The temperature also given. Value of K is also given. K is the Boltzmann constant, and the sigma is the 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. The sigma values. M is the mass. Total mass is given. That is the 127.9. Not small. Big mass is given here. And the Na is the Avogadro's number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 mole per decimeter cubes, and the molecules per centimeter cube is the 6.023 into 10 to the power 20 is a molecule per centimeter cube. And R is the value constant value, that is 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 1 hours per meters, that is the value of the R resistance constant. And the Z, now the formula, we know the formula of the collision theory of collision theories about the kinetic studies. Z is equal to Na dot Nb sigma Ab square under root 8 pi Kt Ma plus Mb divided by Ma into Mb. So in this formula we are putting the values. Firstly we are simplifying the Na Nb sigma Ab square. So simplifying the value is the 7.25 into 10 to the power 47 into 1.225 into 10 to the power minus 15 is the simplifying value of the Na Nb sigma Ab square, and in the bracket 8.314 3.14 into 10 to the power into 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 7, and 556 is the temperature value divided by 127.9 is the combined value of M. So simplifying the equations, we will get the 8.88 into 10 to the power 32 in bracket 8.47 into 10 to the power minus 3.